Additive Metal Manufacturing Incorporated is located in Vaughan, New York region and is engaged in a groundbreaking new technology that offers state-of-the-art 3D printing capability in metal. We create shapes, structures and designs that were previously impossible or too expensive or very time-consuming to achieve in traditional manufacturing technologies. What we do is start with powder and build it up into the most complex structures that you can imagine. So for the engineer and designer, it's a dream. It offers limitless flexibility as far as the design shapes are concerned, and offers a wide range of metals, from stainless steel through to aluminum alloys. Just about every industry will embrace this as an alternative approach to normal subtractive manufacturing. I think innovation and technology moves very rapidly, and eventually the whole world will be using this technology. So our job is to stay in the lead and introduce this to certainly the North American market, so that we can develop a world-beating capability, and we are creating an additive metal manufacturing center of excellence in Southern Ontario.